Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, in case you didn't know. Now you do know. And today's video is going to be a haul. Sort of like a drugstore stuff haul, I guess. I had to pop in Walmart to get some batteries and conditioner, and I ended up spending a lot of money. And so I thought I would share the damage with you, so let's just get started. The first thing I picked up was this foaming hand wash. It is from Live Clean. Yes, Live Clean. It is an eco-friendly hand wash. It's in the lemon mint scent, so it is 98% plant derived. It doesn't have any parabens or silicone, it said on the back. It's got biodegradable ingredients, and it actually wasn't that expensive either. And so I just needed a new one because we're almost out of our Bath & Body Works one, and this one just smells really good. So, and it's good for the environment. I'd much rather spend, $5 on this than one that just smells nice and does bad things. Pretty much an essential anytime I go to the drugstore, which isn't often, I have to say, is picking up a box of tampons. I kind of hoard these like a squirrel hoards nuts. It's pretty much my worst fear to run out of tampons in the middle of my period and have to like run out and get them, and then them not be stocked and have to pick a different brand or something. So I pick up tampons whenever I am near them and they're on sale or not jacked up at some sort of extortionate price. These are just the U by Kotex Sleek Supers. I got the jumbo box, so it has 34. This is more than enough for one cycle, I guess. I just like getting the big box, so I always have lots around. And I mean, I keep them in pretty much every purse I own, and some in both bathrooms in my house. So, I am squirreling them away. This was definitely a must-have thing when I saw them. These are the crunchy espresso M&Ms. Honestly, I think they're just like a limited edition thing. You're supposed to vote on which flavor you like best, I guess, according to the package. I don't know, there's 3 flavors: mint, raspberry, and espresso. I wasn't touching the raspberry ones because they are a migraine trigger for me, and so I will avoid that at all costs. And I don't really like mint chocolate anything, besides Girl Guide cookies, of course. And so I thought I'd try these. These are really good. And honestly, I'll probably finish the bag later today. I just want to make sure I saved some so I could show you guys. So they're a bunch of different colors. So like they're not the typical M&M colors. They are like coffee colors. I don't know. And they're crunchy in the inside, which is awesome and delicious. And yes, I am stuffing them back in the bag because I don't want to eat them right now on camera. Of course, this is like the main thing that I went into Walmart to get. And you can never go into Walmart or the drugstore and just like leave with one thing. It's almost impossible. It's like people saying when they go to Target and leaving with one thing. You came for, a frozen pizza and you left with a whole living room worth of furniture. Who knows? Target is like a black hole, or you black out when you get inside. Walmart is similar. So I just needed hair conditioner. I just get the Garnier Fructis with active fruit protein. It's the Grow Strong kind. That is not going to focus. It never does. Oh well. Honestly, it's really great. It makes my hair very strong, and it breaks less easily. I don't know, I just like it. I got the jumbo bottle because I'm almost out of my other one. It's getting to the point where I can barely even squeeze it out, and I thought the pump would be really helpful. because this conditioner is so thick. It's like icing thickness. So yeah, anyway, I love it. It's great, and it smells awesome. It smells like apples, which is mostly the reason I bought it originally. But now that I've been using it for a while, it's definitely a favorite. Next up, I've got some makeup bits. I wasn't planning to buy any makeup. I haven't bought any in a while, other than that eyeshadow palette I showed you guys a few weeks ago. And so I just picked up a few things because they were things I hadn't seen before and I really wanted to try them. So the first thing I got is this foundation. It is from Rimmel. It is the Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable in light porcelain, which is the second lightest color. I probably would have got the lightest color, but they didn't have any of that one in stock, and I'm impatient, but this one is much more pink looking than the other one, which was quite yellow, and I am more pink in my skin tone, so I think this one will match pretty well. I tried it out on my hand. It felt nice. It blended in with my skin tone quite nicely. Who knows when I try it on my actual face what it'll look like, because, you know, fluorescent lights in stores kind of make everything look either awful or awesome. Who knows? Yeah, so it is kind of beaten up from being sort of like on the shelf for a while, but it's not been opened before, so hopefully it's good. I also picked up the matching concealer. So again, this is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable concealer. It's a medium or lightweight medium coverage. This is in light ivory, so it's the lightest color there is. This is quite yellow though, so I'm not sure, like, this would be the same undertones as the lightest color foundation. I just wanted to try it because if this matches my skin tone, I'll know that the other one, like the lighter color, will be better for me. And it has like a little sponge tip applicator on the end there. I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like. Yeah. Anyway, so that's it. It doesn't seem to like do anything else. It's not got like a click or anything like some of them. It just, you squeeze it and it comes out. So yeah, looks cool. I don't really have to conceal a whole lot of anything. But sometimes when you're just tired and you need it for your under eyes, that's mostly what I got it for. I'm probably going to need it in the next couple of weeks. Last item in the haul is a blush from Burt's Bees. That's not focusing, but that's okay. So it is just the peach one. So it's Bare Peach, and it says blush with bamboo. Honestly, it looks so nice, and it is super light, so you can probably build it up to something. It is matte as well. There's no shimmer that I can see in here. It just looks nice, and it says it's 100% natural, which is pretty awesome as well. It does also have the leaping bunny symbol on the back, which means it's vegan, and isn't tested on animals either. So all of that is good news to me. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. I appreciate you guys coming back every week, whenever. There's a lot of videos happening this month. So if you hadn't noticed, I've been putting up a video every other day in April. I've only missed one video so far this month, and it was yesterday. So yesterday being Friday, I'm filming this on Saturday. And yeah, so I think I'm doing pretty good so far. If there is any video that you would really like to see from me, leave it in the comments below. I'm looking forward to seeing your suggestions. And if you have any questions or comments for me, leave them there as well. I answer all or as many comments as possible in the first 24 hours of a video going up. And If you want to find me on any of my other social media accounts, you can find all of the links in the description, as well as the links for all of these products if I can find them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!